Good morning everyone and welcome to the class. We have completed the chapter the making of the regional culture, and today we will be doing some of the extra questions from this chapter. And the first question is the in which state the Jagannath temple is located? In which state the Jagannath temple and one more question is with this question only, that is who decided to erect a temple for Jagannath? Yeah, which king decided to erect a temple for Jagannath? For Jagannath. Okay, so the Jagannath temple is located in Odisha, and King Anantavarman decided to erect a temple for Jagannath. Okay, and now we have the next question. Which present day state was called Rajputana by the British? Which present day state which present day state was called which present day state was called Rajputana by the British? So the answer is the present day state of Rajasthan was called Rajputana by the British. Okay, and now we have next question. What is the literal meaning of Kathak? So you will write the term Kathak is derived from Katha, which is a word used in Sanskrit and other languages for story. Okay, this is your answer. And now we have next question. Name the two traditions or gharanas of Kathak. Name the two traditions and gharanas or gharanas, not and. Tradition या घराना, घराना को ही tradition कहा जा रहा है. So the two traditions or gharanas of Kathak were, the first is the first is the courts of Rajasthan and the second is the courts of Lucknow. Okay, and next question. What do you mean by miniature painting? So what is the answer? Miniature painting are small sized paintings, generally generally done in watercolor, on cloth or paper. Okay, and now the next question is, what is Pasoli? है ना, तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? बस by the late 17th century, the Himachal Pradesh region had developed a bold and intense style of miniature painting which was called Basohli. ठीक है, name the popular text. Second question. Name the popular text to be painted in the Himachal region, in the Himachal region. So what is your answer? Your answer will be Bhanu Datta's Ras Manjari was the most popular text to be painted in the Himachal region. Okay. Now the next question, how did the Kangra School of Painting was found? So the answer will be that first point से आप दे दो. First point will be that when in 1739 Nadir Shah invaded Delhi, the Mughal artist migrated to the hills. When in 1739 Nadir Shah invaded Delhi or attacked Delhi, the Mughal artist migrated to the hills. Second point, there they found patrons and this led to the founding of the Kangra school of painting. Okay, this is here about the painting. And now we have the next question. It's about जो क्लोजर लुक बंगाल का है उससे रिलेटेड है. Explain the explain the growth of Bengali language, or you can say explain the emergence, not growth, explain the emergence of Bengali language. So first point आप इसमें लिखोगे from the 4th-3rd century BC. From the 4th-3rd century BC, commercial ties began to develop between Bengal and Magad, which may have led to the growing influence of Sanskrit. Okay. Second point you will write down. During the 4th century, second point, during the 4th century, the Gupta rulers started to settle Brahmanas in this area. Then third point, in the 7th century, the Chinese traveler Zhuangzang observed that languages related to Sanskrit were in use all over Bengal. Then next point, between the 14th and 16th century, Bengal was ruled by Sultan who were independent of the rulers in Delhi. Okay. Then next point, in 1586, Akbar formed Bengal, the nucleus of Bengal Suba. And Persian was the language of administration, which had its impact on Bengali language. Next point आप दोगे. Next point, by the 15th century, the Bengali group of dialects came to be united by a common literary language which is known as Bengali. Okay, and last point आप दोगे, a wide range of non-Sanskrit words derived from a variety of sources including tribal language, Persian and European language have become part of modern Bengali. So this is all evolution of Bengali. ठीक है. And now we have next question. Who was Chaitanya Deva? So the answer is Chaitanya Deva was the leader of Vaishnava Bhakti movement. Vaishnava Bhakti movement. Okay. And now we have next question. Who were peers? The answer is peer were the community leaders who functioned as teachers and adjudicators Peers were the community leaders who functioned as teachers and adjudicators, and sometimes people thought that they have some supernatural powers. Okay. So next question is from 16th century. People felt the need of peers. In Bengal, from 16th century, people felt the need of peers in Bengal. What were the reasons behind it? So you will write that from 16th century people felt the need of peers in Bengal because of following reason. First, people began to migrate from the less fertile western Bengal to the forested and marshy areas of southeastern Bengal. Then next point you will give that uh, people started clearing forest and doing rice cultivation. Third point, gradually local communities of fisher folk and shifting cultivators, often tribals, merged with the new communities of peasants. Then next point, the Mughal control was established over Bengal with their capital at Dhaka, and with this we find that mosques were set up, which became the center for religious transformation in these areas. And now the next point, because of unstable conditions of the new settlements, people felt the need of some community leaders, which were called peers. This is your answer. Okay, and now we come to the next question. What was the staple food of the people of Bengal? क्या है staple food? Rice and fish, है ना? What is the staple food of the people of Bengal? The answer is rice and fish. Okay, and which Sanskrit text, which Sanskrit text permitted the local Brahmins or Bengali Brahmins permitted the Bengali Brahmins to eat certain varieties of fish. कौन सा है ये? It's Brihadharma Puran. Brihadharma Puran is the Sanskrit text which permitted the local Brahmins to eat certain varieties of fish. So this is all, and in the next class we will start another chapter.